Yeah, you got it. We're headed to Daytona for autocross. We're here. The racetrack is to our left. So we're coming in here. Get ready for some Daytona action. In the least horsepower car ever. The Mazda Miata. There it is. Woo! We're here. Alright, so for the looks of it, there's some obvious signs that we are at Daytona. A few times. A nice little Alfa Romeo. There we go. Some of the cars that you see here. Beautiful 911. We got a little GTI. Good place to come out in.
Do we have to stop?
This is speed. Yeah, we need to stop here. I think.
Turn left.
Let's see. Oh, the guy. Maybe not. He's just kind of waving you through. Go slow though, just in case he stops you. I think we're good to go. Armbands.
Turn right. Then turn
All right. Officially going into the tunnel. There we go at Daytona.
Done this only 2 times.
Woo!
800 feet.
We don't have a car that makes a lot of exhaust noise, so there won't be none of that.
Doesn't really. I wish it did.
Yeah.
Hey, if we did this in the spec Miata,
Oh yeah, spec Miata makes plenty of noise.
makes it
So does the RX7, but.
There you go. Have to put on a little power just to get up here.
There we are. We're here at Daytona officially. At the track.
Make a U-turn on turn 1
I
tunnel.
believe there's speed bumps.
1.1 miles. Turn left.
All right, here we go. Here's our grid. We're over here doing our walk. The go-kart track here at Daytona. It's gonna be a ball. It's gonna be great. Yes, sir. It's gonna be good. We're gonna have a good time. Let's hear this Lotus. I bet it sounds good. Let's hear it. Looks nice. Beautiful car. Right, it's a nice car, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
So that's probably has a Toyota engine.
It does have a Toyota engine.
Did it come? The last turn, you're going in too fast and you're losing all of it. You're pushing out. Huh? I'm trying to figure it out.
You gotta go in slower.
Yeah, no.
And go out and maybe try to turn in.
Alright, this is my final one, so I'll go by myself.
Okay. Have fun. Nice and smooth.
Alright.
2.9.
Yeah, that's a good job. That was a good lap.
It slid out so much on me.
Over there. What?
It slipped out so much on me in the
Slipped out? Yeah, I saw it over here.
Alright, got him. It's your turn to drive.
That was a good run.
Hold on. You gotta put this.
Oh, yeah.
It's very slippery, by the way. And it does lock up. It indeed does lock up.
I saw your big slide over here. That was a good catch.
Thank you. I thought that wasn't gonna be faster. I think it went off track.
I think I came faster than that though.
Wait, I just realized you ran off the track and you got a 55.7.
Mm-hmm.
You're definitely can be faster.
I was going to suggest you take an instructor if you haven't done that yet.
No, I have before.
You have before?
Yeah,
This
yeah.
event?
Yes, I have.
Oh, okay.
Just kind of overdrew. This is the first time out in this car.
Okay, cool.
So, thank you though.
Yep, have fun.
Thought you were a newbie.
That tightened up over on me. It pushed out.
Yeah. No, I already knew that something was gonna happen once you push that first turn. If you don't go off.
I think when I hit the brakes, it just pushed the front.
Yeah, you locked up.
What turn was that? I'm trying to remember. That way I don't do that again.
There's the one after that little straightaway. So third turn.
So it was a right turn? Right hand turn?
Sorry, fourth turn.
Was it right? Was it right?
Yeah, it was a right turn.
This time I'm just going to try to smooth it out a little bit. I went too fast into that turn. I thought I could rotate it, but it didn't rotate. It just kind of pushed down the front.
Yeah.
What did I do wrong there?
You have to open up. You have to open up the turn before you went into, you pushed it to the launch.
Okay.
I think I'm ready. Put me on the RX7.